Hi everybody, Audrey Lee, and we are on the Glide Terra. We're going to do some movements to release any tension in your lower back. So if you have knee issues, this might not be the best movement for you, but this is a nice, stable, and soft surface to be on. So we're going to start in all fours. It's also called a tabletop. When you're on one of these Glide Terras, you've got movement, so this will challenge your balance a little bit. Spread your fingers wide, place your hands underneath your shoulders, knees are underneath your hips. You're going to move through, arching around in your spine. Release. You can add your breath, inhaling as the belly falls down, looking up towards the sky. And as you exhale, tucking your tailbone under, belly button comes up towards your spine. Do that 3 to 5 times, nice and easy, without any force, without strain. And then we'll add some more movement. From here then, coming into your child's pose or sitting back towards the heels, there are some options. You can have your knees in close, or you can take them wide. And then from there, moving forward, you can come to your forearms and allow your hips and allow your pelvis to rest on the board. Feel a nice lengthening in your spine. And then moving back, finding the flow from that front movement to the back. Enjoying that rocking motion of the Glide Terra. So this is a deeper stretch. If this feels comfortable for you, you can be on your forearms as well. Choose what's best for your body. Taking one more round, moving forward. Moving back. Coming up to center, all fours. You're going to rock your hips, and as you rock your hips, you're going to rock the Glide Terra. So you have a little bit of balance, a little bit of stabilization, and a nice release. Rocking your hips side to side. Feel your body weight deep in the stretch. So I'm leaning. You can see I'm shifting my hips more forward. Now I'm shifting hips more back. When you do this on a different surface, you might not see that extreme movement. Coming to center. Notice how you feel. So you're going to start with small circles. Gradually increase the size of your circles so that when you come back, you're as far as a child's pose. When you come forward, you can come up to that up dog or cobra. 3 to 5 circles on the left. And then circle in the opposite direction. Moving on all these Glide Terras makes it fun. You have to stabilize. Let it bring down.